How to explain complex ideas simply. Most professionals over-explain. Executives don't. They say less, but you understand more. Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to explain complex ideas simply, so people actually understand you, trust you, and follow your thinking. Why complexity kills your message. Key idea. In business, complexity is not intelligence. Clarity is intelligence. When you explain something complicated, your brain tries to include everything, every detail, every fact, every exception. But complexity overwhelms people. When listeners get overwhelmed, they stop listening. Executives know this. That's why the best communicators focus on framing, not details. The three-step executive explanation framework. This is the heart of the lesson. Step 1. Start with the core idea. The one-sentence rule. Say the whole idea in one clear sentence. If you can't say it in one sentence, you don't understand it yet. Examples. Our goal is to reduce customer wait time by 30%. This project automates manual work so the team can focus on strategy. The problem is not demand, it's our delivery process. This is your anchor. Everything else supports this. Step 2. Use a simple structure. 3 parts only. People understand information best in 3 buckets. 1. Problem. 2. Solution. 3. Impact. Example. Our problem is slow response time. Our solution is automated routing. The impact is faster service and higher customer satisfaction. This structure makes even complicated topics feel easy. Step 3. Use a visual analogy. Make the brain relax. Analogies turn complex ideas into something familiar. This is an executive superpower. Examples. Think of our system like a highway. Right now, too many cars, not enough lanes. This platform works like a personal assistant. It organizes, reminds, and prioritizes. It's like a restaurant kitchen. Orders come in, we prepare them, then deliver. Analogies create instant understanding. They also reduce tension in difficult conversations. Executive explanation templates. You can use these in meetings, presentations, or interviews. Template A. Explain a technical concept. Here's the core idea. It works in 3 parts, A, B, and C. Think of it like buggy, which helps you see how everything fits together. Template B. Explain a project update. The goal is, we're doing that through, the impact is, by the end of Q2. Template C. Explain a strategy decision. We chose this direction because of, it gives us the advantage of long-term. It positions us for, this is simple, this is clean, this is executive. What not to do. Executives avoid 3 things. 1. Starting with details. It confuses everyone. 2. Using too much jargon. If people don't understand your words, they won't understand your idea. 3. Giving 5 reasons when 1 strong reason is enough. Your goal is clarity, not volume. The 15-second summary technique. Whenever you finish explaining something, close with a mini summary. Formula. So in summary, core idea, key reason, impact. Example. So in summary, we're simplifying the process so customers get answers faster and the team can focus on higher value work. This locks the message into people's memory. Quick practice. Try this right now. Explain your job in 1 sentence, then break it into 3 parts, then add 1 analogy. This is how executives speak. This is how you will speak. If you want to sound more confident, more clear, and more professional in every meeting, start by simplifying your explanations. Speak with clarity. Speak with purpose. Speak like an executive. Thanks for watching. The Executive English Coach.